Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Ash and Daz. Today we are going to be making a Carolina barbecue mustard sauce. Okay, it's a Carolina recipe. It's not my recipe, but I love this sauce over any other type of mustard. This stuff is super sweet, super delicate. Oh, the flavors, the notes, oh, it's so good. Honestly, you guys are gonna love it. It's super simple to make and it goes with anything. Literally, you name it. You can drizzle that shit on ribs. You can pour that stuff on your burgers. You can slither up your hot dogs. This stuff is absolutely phenomenal flavor and you guys will love and enjoy making it. Without further ado, I'm going to put a list right here of the things you need, and then I'm going to show you and tell you what you need at the same time. You're going to need about a teaspoon, 7 grams of garlic granules or garlic powder, your choice. You can use fresh garlic, and I would suggest about 2 cloves. 4 ounces of clear honey. You need 4 ounces of cider vinegar, and you also need 4 ounces of soft brown sugar. You need some black pepper to taste, and you'll also need a bottle of the American style mustard. So this is a 397 gram bottle. Oh, I got it right. So that's how much you need of this. You need it's a bigger bottle of this brand. I'm not going to tell you the brand, you can see it for yourself, I don't mind, whatever, but other brands are available. And basically, that's all you need for this. First things first, get yourself a pan that will fit all the ingredients in. This is a medium-sized pan that I have here, okay? And I'm going to shift you over. Okay, pan on the heat. Medium high, not too high, okay? Get rid of that lid. Get all of this in there. Okay guys, now I've cleaned up. Get yourself the cider vinegar. Now this is a 1/4 cup, so you need 2 whole pots of these, and that's on the heat too high. 1, 2. 2 cups of soft brown sugar. 1, 2. 2 of these cups of 4 ounces of honey, clear honey. Get that back on the heat. Okay, garlic powder. Add this next. About a teaspoon. And pepper. Now, I like a lot of pepper in mine. Gives it nice texture. Nice flavour. You want to be able to see those grains and granules in there. Grab yourself a spoon, start mixing this stuff together on the heat. So this is starting to bubble nice and gently now. Keep stirring it, you don't want this to burn. Get yourself a tasting spoon, okay? Because you want to taste this. Have a dip. Have a taste. Oh. Wow! Okay, so this is starting to boil. Not rapidly, but continuously bubble, which is good. That's that then. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how simple this is. So okay guys, this is it. This is the sauce. That is that simple, okay? It's that easy to make. You don't need anything else. If you've got yourself a bottle, an empty bottle, this is a bottle I have, You know, it's got one of these little rubber nozzles on them and everything else. So I'm gonna fill this up with that. Oh my god, seriously, if you've never ever tried this, you need to make it, because it's absolutely divine on all types of meat, pork especially. Okay guys, so I'm going to bring you back up here. So there we go, Carolina style barbecue mustard sauce made by myself, not my recipe, don't know whose it is, it's a Carolina recipe that's been passed down for generations. So, I'm going to bottle this up. Got myself a jug right here. Pour it into the jug. This makes it easier to pour into a bottle. Oh yes. Get rid of that. Let's have a look. How much did I make? I made about 600 mils of this stuff, and it just so happens I have a 600 ml bottle. So, hopefully this isn't too hot. These bottles, the bottle I have is pretty sturdy for heat, I do believe, so we should be good there. Whoa! I've got a little bit left over. How about that? Magic. I'm going to leave the lid off because this is hot, okay? This is hot. So I'm going to let that chill, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge. And that is it, guys. This will be coming out in the next episode that I'm going to be doing for you guys, because I'm making some burgers. Little sneak peek right there of what's coming up next. So, that's all I'm saying though, okay? I'm going to save that. I'm going to probably just drizzle it over my face and just devour it all whole. Thanks for joining me. This has been Cooking with Ash and Daz. Sadly without Daz. He's busy today. Couldn't come and join me. He's got his own things to do, which is perfectly fine. But we will be back together at some point very soon. And we'll be creating madness in the kitchen once again.
New kitchen.
New kitchen, yes, because I'm going to be moving soon to a new house, so I'll have a new kitchen, new sceneries, and it's going to be great. Make sure that you click that like button, make sure that you leave us a comment, make sure that you click the like button and a little thumbs up, okay? Make sure you click that bell up there, because I want you guys to get notified of when I make new videos and new content, and also make sure that you subscribe, and as always, see you next Tuesday.